Hello friends, for intraday trading today, I have selected Tech Mahindra. It is a IT stock, and the reason for selection of Tech Mahindra is first reason is that the dominating pressure in this stock is buying. So buyers are currently dominating the price of Tech Mahindra. You can clearly see from here onwards, that is after 20th December, from 21st. This was the first resistance that was faced by this stock, came back, retested this zone, and again the day before yesterday this level was broken, and from here stock has created a very nice symmetrical triangle pattern, which is a sign of a continuation of the existing trend. So first reason is that dominating pressure in this stock is buying. So buyers are dominating. So regarding the trend, existing trend, we have a clear idea that existing trade of Tech Mahindra in 5-minute time frame is buying. Along with that, we have got a symmetrical triangle pattern. So that indicates this trend will be continued. So two confirmations, and along with the today's confirmation, and today's confirmation is that market was in red, but still if you see the global sentiment of the market, you can clearly have an idea that at the ending of the sessions market, there is a high probability, a high chance of market will be closing in the green. So three confirmations are aligned in single directions, and that is only on the upward momentum. So I have taken a long trade in this stock, that is Tech Mahindra, and I have booked profit. So my cost price was 1701.15, and my target was 1715.15. So exactly 14 rupees was my target, and against that 4 rupees was my stop loss. And on 210, yes, exactly on this candle I have booked my profit. So after booking the profit, then I have started creating a video. So let's go to the analysis part. Three regions I have told you, and let's discuss the analysis part, where we will be very clear that apart from those three regions, what our analysis is giving us as an indication that I should take a trade in this stock, because confirmation is not the only thing that you should consider while taking a trade. So trading, day trading is a very simple word while saying this word, but when you go and implement this particular word, day trading is a quite difficult and a very a difficult task, but still you can manage. So let's move to the analysis part. In analysis, what we can see, we have seen here symmetrical triangle pattern. So let's discuss about this symmetrical triangle pattern. Price move in only two ways, either trending or sideways. Trending, sideways. Trending means either in upward direction or in downward directions. Sideways means there was no any direction. So there are two kind of pattern that price always create. If you see the larger picture of the price movement, so we have also a two larger type of price pattern. First is reversal pattern, second is continuation pattern. So in continuation we have symmetrical triangle. So symmetrical triangle is a sign of that existing trend is still in dominance, and we can expect further movement or extension of this particular existing trend in the as per the follow through action of the price. So this is the analysis part, and let's come to the result. Result is that I have booked 1:3 risk reward ratio in this. So I have against 1 rupees I have booked 3 rupees profit. This was the result part. Now let's discuss the learning lesson, what we have learned in this stock today. So if you have noticed, I have told you first region, second region and third region. all are in a single directions. That means all are aligned and all are indicating me that you should take a long trade in this stock. But what was against my all these confirmation? It was the actually direction of the market in the morning was against all these confirmations, but still I was stick to my study, I was stick to my confirmations, and that had paid me to close my trade in the green. So this is the learning lesson, that we should have trust to our system, we should have trust to our skill, implementation, technique, and the kind of patience. Because while actually riding this kind of trend of uh, riding this kind of trade, there were many scenario where thought came in mind that price may take U-turn from here, because market was still not very clear. So because of that, it was a very common feeling that it may take a U-turn from anywhere. Most importantly here, this particular actually first, second, third, fourth, these four candles has given me a kind of a thought that price may move or may take U-turn from here, but that was not happen because I was stick to my uh, skill implementation technique. So after that, you can clearly see the price has extended its movement towards upward journey. So this is the learning lesson that we have learned today. So this is all about today's trade plan, guys. Thank you. Keep watching, keep trading, and again, I'm again saying keep learning, because learning is the most important thing and aspect that will keep you in the market forever. If you want to earn a big money, or if you want to create a wealth, then please invest your time in learning, because without learning you cannot be dependent on any other uh, person or any other mind, that they will give you a kind of signals or a kind of their own study. So this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you. Bye.